I gotta zoom in.
The season, he had the second fastest time clocking.
I gotta zoom
You can barely hear the yellow car truck.
There was a question that maybe he'd be a little rusty. He had not competed since October in Houston. There was no rust. There were no cobwebs.
You want some popcorn or something? Happy candy something?
Yeah.
And competed tough. And now Pro Dozer and even Pro
Cotton
Comedian
candy.
sit in that striking range as far as starting points go. All that stands in the way of Pro Dozer and a spot in the racing finals.
Yeah,
is
okay,
Morgan
kid.
Kennedy,
I gotta zoom in.
who has the best record of
Look at that, guys. Look, Mom, it's so crazy. I'm literally in the crowd right now. Look how many people
They're
here.
about ready to get both Monster Jam trucks staged to that starting line. It is event number 3 on the road to World Finals. One will advance for a date with Corey Russell and Megan
That's all
in
it
the Monster Jam Racing Finals. Remember that first yellow light signals the drivers can fire and begin.
Come on, let's go.
Way bigger!
Hey, bigger.
Way bigger!
Hey, bigger.
We go!